So you have roses, hypericum berries, you have dusty miller, you have eucalyptus, and you have lemon leaf. I'm going to set my roses on the right side. Next, I have berries and assorted greens. Who would be the pair of jacks? This is the queen. Who would be the jacks? Berries, of course. People love berries. I'm going to take my berries and set them next to my roses. I'm creating a poker hand. Next, I would take this, Dusty Miller. It's got color. That would be number 3, Queen, Jack, 10. Next, I would take my eucalyptus, which will be our 9. Next is your silver dollar. It looks like silver dollars on the beach. And last would be your lemon leaf. There's your lineup. Queen, Jack, 10, 9, 8, 7. I have 3 roses. What shape am I going to do? Next, I have 3 berries. What shape am I going to do? Another triangle. Right in the cracks. Put it right there. The roses are the high point of this dome. 1, and I have branching ones. 2, crisscrossing through my designs. And 3. Next, I have my Dusty Miller. I'm going to take individual leaves. 1, I have a lot of them, so I'm going to do like a hexagon. 2, laying them like we learned, not stacking them up. You don't want them sticking up, you want them laying down. So there's 2, moving out in space. Every flower goes just beyond the next one, switching hand. There's 3. There's 4. See it? There's 5. And there's 6. I made a hexagon. Next, I'm going to take, what's next on my list? Your eucalyptus. 4. Working my way around. 5. I'm going to do an octagon. This makes everything pretty, so I like to use a lot of it.